No! I missed the light. There was cars that triggered that light. That was my chance. I'm gonna have to sit there for a while and hope that it picks me up. Hey, project cars. Project house. Would you like me to take something off your hands? I've got room for one more. Alright, I'll see you guys in about 10 minutes when I get to turn left. That's not the same person. The underwear is different. Oh. Tempted to go for a new top speed on this right now. But I should probably put long sleeves on if I want to do that. But I mean, I didn't wear them last time, so... The highest I've had the speedo on this was 174. On my ZX-10, that's going to be a jog, but I haven't done that yet. For those of you watching this that do ride, I'm just curious. I just want to know, do you ever just dead hang your left arm like this? Do you ever just let it kind of dangle beside you, like kind of drag? Because I've noticed I do it a lot lately, and it's just weirdly like it's like comfortable. I don't know. It just feels nice to just kind of like dangle here, kind of do its own thing. So I just want to know, like, if you guys ever do that too, or if I'm just weird. I should probably start downshifting as well, or at least pushing a brake. But yeah, let me know if you guys do that, because I don't know, I like it, but I could just be weird. Wendy's nuts. So we got a convertible Mustang, and we got an older Mustang right in front of it. Is that a Mustang? I can't really see from here. No, it isn't. It's a Camaro. I wanted to race them. I'm gonna start calling myself the racist. Just because, like, how often I want to race people. No, it doesn't sound good. Never mind. I'm not racist. I just like racing people on the highway. But I don't care about seeing. See, like, look at this. We got both of these people. This person's just tailgating them, and this person's just going extremely slow in the left lane. Both of you, just move over. Or go around them instead of tailgate. I don't get it. I wish the only reason I would want to live in California is to lane split. And that's it. But it's starting to become legal in other states. I think I want to say Minnesota, but I could be wrong. Some other state approved it, and it's now legal there too. It used to be only California, but now I know other states are starting to get it. So hopefully PA is one of them eventually. With the way things usually go in this state, I doubt it, but maybe. I mean, if California has it and we don't, that's pretty sad. Because, like, California, you're not even allowed to breathe too much per day, or you, like, have to pay for the oxygen you consumed. Like, there's so many rules. So the fact that they have it and we don't really bugs me. Your car has to be super quiet. Your magazine has to be tiny if you can even have a gun. There's so many rules there. But at least you can lane split. Oh, I did also remember, I just now remembered, so I saw that Cybertruck that's wrapped. I saw it again on this road going this way, obviously if it's on that road. So I was thinking I want to try to time it someday, because I saw it, I'm pretty sure both times I saw it were around the exact same time of day, so I'm assuming they're leaving work. So what I wanted to do was try to time it so that I'm on the same road as them at the same time, and maybe I can get them to try to race me, and I can have an R6 versus Cybertruck, you know, just out of curiosity. I feel like the truck would probably win at first, like off the line, they're going to accelerate faster, but eventually I would pass. But I still want to find out. I mean, versus the ZX-10, that's a much more fair race, that's much closer, but with this, I think the truck's going to win off the line. Truck, I use that term loosely. But that'll be a different day. I'm going to try to time it, and hopefully my assumptions, I guess, are correct, that they leave work and head that way around the same time every day. Which sounds extremely creepy when I say it out loud and put it that way. So if that person watches this video, I promise I'm not stalking you. I simply just want to race. I'm trying to get some good content. So no, I'm not trying to learn your schedule, even though that's what I just said I was doing. I'm just trying to coincidentally be near your vehicle on the highway. That's all. Yeah, it's already getting pretty dark in this visor. Dude, let's go! This person's horrible with green lights. Every single one we've been at, every time it turns green, it takes at least a couple seconds for them to start moving. Like, pay attention. Look at all this open room in the right lane. The slow lane, you know, that you two should be in. Look at all this. Look how much open space there is. You guys should try it. Oh look, someone going slower than me. I'm going to get in the left lane to pass him. Shoot your local pedophile. Absolutely. Absolutely, I agree with that. And now that I have successfully passed them, I'm going to move back over. Look at that. Now the left lane is clear for anybody that might be going faster than me. Oh, I'm going to pass these people. I better move back to the left lane to pass them. All clear. Now I'll go back to the right lane. Look at that. It's not that hard. Just do that, please. Please, for the love of God. Stop riding in the left lane. I mean, hopefully none of you that watch this do that. But if so, please stop it. On behalf of, like, everybody, just move over. Also, they apparently hired Lightning McQueen to pave this road. Yeah, normally I'd pull over into the parking lot up there to stop recording, but earlier in, I think it was last video, I mentioned a little tunnel up here that I downshifted in, and it sounded really good, so I was going to record on the way back just to hear it again. So that's what I'm doing. The only problem is the stop sign's right before it, so like coming this way, it makes sense to downshift right in the tunnel. Coming that way, it doesn't. Well, the way I'm going right now. Oh. Love that. It's already starting to get kind of dark in the visor though, so I'm gonna head home for the night, unfortunately. Edit like I have been every single day pretty much. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a like. a nice sunset. Oh, yeah, right. Thanks for watching. I do mean that. Thank you. And see you in the next one, which should be tomorrow. I can't see shit now. Oh my, that is bright. Ha. Oh, there we go. Bye. Oh, it should sound good right here too, actually. It did. I went down in the first, so I shouldn't have, but it did sound good. Oh, that's a buck. Nice rack, dude.